This video is a sample of how to score a graded passage. The marking on the passage shows that this passage was read the following way. All people need clean water. They also need it for drinking, cooking, and bathing. Some people in a village in South America did not have clean water. Their water was full of oil and dirty. People there got sick when they drank the water. Far away, other people hear about the problem. They sent empty water tanks to the village. Rainwater fell into the tanks. That water was clean. Now the people in the village have clean water. Although there are different variations in how to mark a running record, these are some common ways that they are marked. When words are added to the text, like the word also, a caret is placed and the word that the student inserted is also written above. When students omit words from the text, those words are circled. For example, the word for in the second line. When we come to the word South Africa, the student stopped and looked to the teacher for assistance, so a TA is noted to say that the teacher gave assistance. Another common mistake is when students pronounce or say the wrong word. When this occurs, the teacher is to cross out the correct word and write in the word that the student actually spoke. You can see this example when the student read dirty, drink, and hear. Self-correction are another thing that you want to note when students are reading. For example, when the student tries to sound out the word empty and says and then self-corrects to say empty. And again, the student sounds out the word rain, stops, and self-corrects rainwater. Next, you will want to find out the percent accuracy the student has for reading this passage. There were a total of 79 words in this passage. The student made 9 mistakes. However, 2 of those mistakes were self-corrections, which we do not count when we are looking at accuracy. So, therefore, this student got 72 words correct out of 79, which is a 91% accuracy. Looking at the bottom of your scoring sheet, you can now notice that this student is at the instructional level at this graded passage. When looking at the strategies that the reader used in coming to unknown words, we can see that the reader self-corrected, repeated to self-correct, used word parts or syllables, for example, when they came to empty and rainwater. The student also asked the teacher for help at one point, skipped some words and read on, and used word meaning to determine the words drink, dirty, and hear. However, it was not grammatically correct in the sentence. Next, you would have your student retell the story. First, you will do it unassisted and note how many of the items from the retelling form your student hit upon in their unassisted retelling. Next, you would give them the prompts and see how many of the prompts they can correctly answer.